Hello YouTube, this is Alexander of Project Shenron Z32. I have a big update for you today. Since my last video, I installed a new shifter support plate and 50mm spacers in the rear, which finally made it flush in the back. I patched up my old stock fenders and a buddy of mine helped me to cut them. I installed the new body kit and my buddy Vinny from Vinyl Life wrapped the new PMZ fenders for me. Here's a slideshow of all this progress. As always, thanks for watching and drive safe everybody. Bye.